Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, the pretty look of Samsung virtual assistant. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. So the internet is filled with tons of reactions from Samsung users and fans about the latest news related to Samsung's AI assistant, Sam. The most interesting fact about Sam is that, unlike Bixby, the company's previous virtual assistant, this new version is a 3D three-dimensional character. The photos of this new sassy and cool assistant went viral throughout the internet minutes after the post was shared. However, many users online are wondering about how to get Samsung virtual assistant, is Sam ethical, and more. So, if you have been wondering about the same, then do not worry. Lightfarm, the winner of LIA Grand Prix and a well-recognized visual arts production house by Cannes, has published several photos and renders of Sam with some cool similarities to Alita and Seraphine. As soon as the images were out, Samsung fans rushed into forgetting completely about the recently launched Samsung virtual assistant Bixby. The full name of the AI is said to be Samantha Samsung and comes with a unique art style, similar to that of Pixar. A fan took to Twitter and wrote, "She gives us hope." However, the latest report by Polygon reveals that Sam is not actually an official AI for Samsung and it is a part of a rejected and deleted project. While the images were created by Lightfarm for Samsung, the final product was never incorporated into any kind of campaign. Nevertheless, Bixby comes with several cool features and it is one of the well-known AI in the market, competing with Siri, Alexa, Cortana, Google Assistant and more. So, is how you can get the new Samsung virtual assistant on your Samsung smartphone. Therefore, Sam will have to offer some very special capabilities to draw Android users away from Google Assistant. Samsung is a giant in smartphones and tablets, but its venture into smart speakers had made a stuttering start. Samsung revealed what was originally planned to be its entry into the smart speaker market back in August 2018, but the Galaxy Home was never commercially released. The original design for Samsung's first smart speaker resembled more of a cauldron or a rocket ship and was mercilessly mocked on social media. Sam is set to be a competitor for Google Assistant, which is the dominant smart assistant installed on Android phones. Android, which is owned and operated by Google, is the operating system that powers Samsung phones, among others. Well, that is for now guys. Without being said, if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.